Hi, my name is Pam Kelly. I'm a mother to 2 children and a grandmother to a 2-year-old granddaughter who I simply adore. I myself love reading all kinds of books, but I have to say a favorite kind of book that I'll be sharing with you tonight is a children's book. I read to my kids every night, and I read to my granddaughter every time I see her. So I'm so excited to be able to be here today and read a story to you. I hope you'll enjoy it. It's called Bear Snores On. I wonder, do you know if you snore or not? Some people know, some people don't, but you can ask your family and they can tell you if you snore. I think I only do it when I'm really tired. Well, let's get started with this cute little book. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark hair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. 2 glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps, Hare burps, big burps. Oh no, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff-snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter and they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party of his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Oh my. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stops. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, Bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins our tall tails through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. I hope you've enjoyed this silly little story. It is interesting how we all go to sleep, fall asleep, and I think if you have a routine and you're listening to bedtime stories, that's always a good way to end your day and to relax and just prepare yourself for a great night's sleep. And that's my wish for you. I hope you sleep well. Thank you. Bye-bye.